Introduction to growing lavender. Let's start at the beginning. If you want to start a business selling lavender, you better understand every aspect of it. When you first think about lavender, your mind probably turns to a lighter shade of purple, but there is much more to it than its beautiful color. In short, lavender is a flowering plant in the mint family that's easily identified by its sweet floral scent. It is an outstanding perennial flower and a great plant to attract butterflies, bees, and other pollinators to your garden. It's believed to be native to the Mediterranean, the Middle East, and India, with a history dating back as far as 2,500 years. We'll take a closer look into its history in just a second. This herb is now cultivated, grown, and loved around the world. Its family tree features other familiar Mediterranean herbs that you've probably heard of, like rosemary, sage, and thyme. Its fragrance has definitely made an impact in both the culinary and self-care industry. Today, lavender is experiencing a renewal of popularity. It's wanted for plenty of different uses, even medicinal. Did you see that coming? As it turns out, this herb is also commonly used for some therapeutic benefits. Here are some of the most commonly known benefits it can offer. May help improve sleep. Insomnia is terrible. You spend all night tossing and turning and getting nowhere. If the caffeine cut and more exercise aren't working, maybe you'd like to try something different. A study published in March 2017 in the British Association of Critical Nurses found lavender essential oil to be an effective remedy in improving the sleep quality of intensive care unit patients who had difficulty sleeping. Introduction to growing lavender.